Hello and welcome back. Thanks so much for staying with us. Now, we do have increased clouds across the Caribbean, especially the central and western Caribbean. We do have a trough system, an upper level trough, that's a mid to upper level trough that is helping to generate some cloudy conditions across the general area, across the central and western portions of the basin. We're expecting this trough system to linger or meander across the area, so we should be seeing these clouds develop and dissipate over the next couple of days across the general area. Moisture convergence is still occurring across sections of the land masses of Cuba, as well as Hispaniola, Puerto Rico, and the Jamaica area. We did see some heavy showers and isolated thunderstorms across sections of the Jamaica area earlier this afternoon, especially across the east, but we did also record some morning showers across sections of northern parishes. We're expecting to see partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions across the open waters of the basin. We do have strong fresh trades across the general area. Winds are expected to be reaching anywhere between 20 knots over the next couple of days, so we are expecting to see stable conditions develop as we move into the middle of next week. Now, the forecast for tonight: partly cloudy skies to generally fair skies across most of the area. The temperatures are expected to drop to 23 degrees Celsius for both Kingston and Montego Bay. Expect northerlies on the north coast tonight, and we're expecting an east-southeasterly to southeasterly regime across sections of across the north. Northerlies are expected on the south coast. Now, the forecast for tomorrow, especially in the morning, we do have some isolated showers, mainly across sections of the northeast, so we could be seeing some shower activity as we wake up in the morning. Now, in the afternoon, you can expect an increase in clouds, showers, and there are a few thunderstorms which are expected to develop across sections of central and western parishes. Temperatures 30 degrees Celsius for both Kingston and for Montego Bay. Now, our breakdown has partly cloudy conditions across sections of the southeast. We're expecting morning showers in Morant Bay. We're expecting afternoon showers with some possible thunderstorms across sections of Maypen and Mandeville. It's partly cloudy for most of the area in Black River and Savannah Lamar. Also for Negril, we're expecting some isolated showers in the afternoon in Falmouth. Also for sections of Golden Spring and Bog Walk across inland areas, we do have some thunderstorm activity expected. Similar conditions for Richmond and Moortown. We're expecting isolated showers for sections of Duncans as well as for Cave Valley, but it's partly cloudy in Grange Hill, partly cloudy also in Port Maria, Ocherias, as well as for St. Anne's Bay, Now, the next few days does have some increase in clouds, especially across central and western parishes on Tuesday and Wednesday. We do have showers and thunderstorms also expected across the general area, but on Monday, it's isolated showers mainly across inland areas. For the marine forecast on the north coast, the winds tomorrow are out of the east at 10 to 15 knots, while wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, expecting an east-southeasterly wind at 10 to 15 knots, wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. While for offshore areas, the winds are out of the northeast at 10 to 15 knots, wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. And for our offshore outlook, the winds are east-northeasterly on Monday, picking up to 15 to 20 knots, but the winds drop back again to 10 to 15 knots on Tuesday and Wednesday. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.